Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing. Grab a cart and clear inventory space so pickups register. Walk directly to the paint aisle using the overhead signs. Once there, scan shelf labels to find base cans. You should have coins or card ready and any coupon codes copied to clipboard. Interact with the can. Press the action key to inspect options. If a cabinet locks the product, search nearby for a key or ask the clerk NPC for access before proceeding. Now you handle the complex middle. Use the tint station to mix a custom shade. You place the base can on the machine platform, choose a preset or enter a color value, and preview the swatch so you avoid redoing it. Once you confirm, start the processing cycle. The timer runs and NPC assistance may help. Make sure you stay nearby and do not change zones, because leaving can cancel mixing. After completion, inspect the sealed can and apply any protective lids if available. You finish by checking out and securing the paint. Queue at the register, scan the can, apply any coupon, and pay. Once transaction completes, open your inventory and confirm the item appears as a sealed paint can. Move it to a dedicated slot to prevent accidental sale or discard. If the can is missing, make sure you didn't exceed carry limits. Once done, relog or return to the store's customer service NPC for a manual restore. Keep receipts or screenshots for proof if needed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.